Thanks very much for tuning into India's only real estate show, which covers everything from policy to prices to best places for you to put your money in when it comes to real estate. Before we kickstart the show, a quick reminder on how you can reach out to us. Our phone lines are always open. You can also SMS us at 56388 or can email us at property@ndtv.com. Sameer Jasuja, my expert co-anchor, with me here in the studio to take all your questions and give you the smartest and the best advice. Sameer, thanks very much. All right, let's begin with what's on the menu today. Smart investment options in Gurgaon and Ghaziabad. That's the NCR market covered for you. There's hot property options in Mumbai and Thane. There's also top buys in key locations of Pune and Kolkata. And the much awaited land acquisition bill has BJP now on board as well. Will the bill finally go through the parliament in this session? A special report. So, Mumbai, Bengaluru and Gurgaon are the three cities we'll cover up front. Lakshmi Vasudevan is our first caller. She's on the phone line. Hi Lakshmi, go ahead with your question.
Good evening, Mr. Trajan and Mr. D'Souza. My father-in-law has actually introduced me to your show and he's highly appreciative of your practical and analytical approach. So here's my query. Due to familiarity and comfort factor, I have chosen Borivali West for 2.5 BHK. Wall-to-wall carpet of 650 to 750 square feet would be ideal. My basic requirements include easy access to the arterial roads, peaceful green surroundings, and storage or loft spaces in the house. Unfortunately, I find new constructions without storage facilities especially, and the modern amenities offered by them do not interest us. Hence, I'm also looking at the resale market. Kindly guide me on my approach, considering my budget of up to 1.6 crores all-inclusive, the current and the near future market for resale property, and connectivity to the city and the corporate hubs. Also, whether Sion East will fit into my requirements. Any other suitable recommendations in the western or central Mumbai is welcome too.
Okay, Lakshmi, so when you send us an email, you actually didn't ask us anything about resale properties, because that's also another big area. We will have to put our team to research. You will understand that real estate isn't something that we will just, come up with options. We will have to put our team to work to come up with options. But we will evaluate the markets for you. Borivali is something that she's already shortlisted. Sion, what do you think of these areas and what can we give her in these markets? Curiously, she says the new options don't interest me. I'm not interested in the amenities. I want storage space inside my house.
Actually, to begin with, first of all, the two options of micro markets was Borivali and Sion. Now, Sion, unfortunately, would be outside the budget. So, we cannot take Sion as a micro market at all.
At all, within this budget at least.
Because the projects recommended, the projects that we're trying to recommend to you are well within your budget and fit your other requirements, and you have Borivali West as one of your shortlisted requirements. As far as you wanting to make an investment in property is concerned, first of all, it's always better to buy into new projects which are almost going to get completed or which are just completed, because they tend to appreciate the most. They have the best amenities, they have the best specifications, and they tend to have a higher resale value in the near future and also command the best possible rental returns. Specifically in Bombay, the older properties are not maintained well. The other issues are that they may come into redevelopment if they are 40 or 50 years old. So they're not really safe bets unless you want to make a kind of a windfall gain and play the SRA game, which we don't recommend for you at all. It is an end-use decision for you. So we would recommend you projects that are new, that are close to the metro stations over there, so that commuting is much more easier and are of reputed developers. Resale properties in other areas could be looked at, or resale properties or under construction properties can be considered. I'll come to the key data points of Borivali West, which fit your budget. 30 projects, total supply 3110 units, inventory overhang 24 months. Although it's a cause of a little bit of concern, but Mumbai has gone much higher in inventory overhang than 24 months. So it's in the danger zone. The weighted average price of the mid to luxury segment over here is 11,901 rupees a square feet. and has witnessed a very good return. Borivali West has witnessed a phenomenal return with respect to Mumbai, especially in the mid to luxury segment, 53% over the last 2.5 years or 21% on an annualized basis. The three projects that you could look out for are AHCL Homes by AHCL Homes is the developer. Location is Borivali West, 13,500 rupees. This project is getting completed in 2013 itself, so brand new project getting ready right away. It's available from the developer. It's given a return of 15.71% since its launch, so it's a great return. Adni by Parni developers. This is in Borivali West. 10,500 rupees a square feet is the price. 2015 is the completion year. Available from the developer. Lastly, Empress by Romel developers, Borivali West. Again, price is 10,500 rupees a square feet. 2013 is the completion year, and this project has returned 13.18% since its launch.
Alright, so I do think that we've got a little bit of technical issues there with our graphics machine, because we were unable to show you the price appreciation trends of Borivali West. In fact, we got the Gurgaon sheet up, but let me just tell you, start with that particular market. Borivali West price appreciation has been 53% over the last 2.5 years. That's correct, Sameer?
Yes.
So it's a huge appreciation, and of course the three projects Sameer has already mentioned, but let me sum them up for you. There's AHCL Homes by AHCL, so that's the name of the developer. To reiterate the price, and hopefully we can get the graphics here, it's about 13,500 rupees per square feet, and completion date is 2013, and available from the developer, right, Sameer? I mean, that's
yes.
another curious thing, that it's right around the corner and still available from the developer. There's Adne Parini. The Adne is the name of the project. Parini developers at 10,500 rupees per square feet. So that's the data on your screen. Completion date a little while away, 2015. Then there's Empress by Romel developers, again Borivali West, again 10,500 rupees per square feet. So it's a market which is still pretty much within your budget, Lakshmi. A quick summary, three homes that we'd like you to look at. Borivali seems to be one of your most preferred locations, so that's what our picks are. There's, okay, again, there's a little bit of an issue there. It's not Bengaluru. You're looking at the Mumbai market. There's AHCL Homes, there's Parini Developers, and there's Empress Romel Developers. So I think today is going to be a comedy of errors a little bit, because we've got some technical shifts happening between two cities, and so bear with us. But hopefully you're absorbing all the information that we are giving you.